Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are at FuelFest, which is a car show. I'm with both my cousins.
Hi. Hi.
And we're gonna have one heck of a time.
FuelFest, let's keep going. You gotta get a video of this.
Yeah, he's like, he wanted to do it so bad. It's not.
Man, see that car on the track? Handle. That one goes crazy. Because that's partially what people want. Yeah, that camera work. Get the rim, get the rim. Oh, the pink box buddy. Oh, Why don't you sign it? That's
Yeah,
perfect for you.
Yeah, I'll sign it.
Hold on.
So this is the car you want.
One of them.
One of them.
Yo, that interior actually is really hard.
See, this is the car I want.
Still going?
No, I'm talking to you guys.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at the interior, dude.
Hey, Steven, you need to do this to your car. We had this car and we got rid of it, and I was so mad.
Get like a close up on that. Impressive. A lot better than outside.
Yeah. Brendan. Zip ties.
Huh?
Zip ties.
I don't know.
Looks like you got tapped.
Yeah, for real. Yo, Nathan, you should get a picture of that. To be honest. You should get a picture.
Such a good looking car.
Wait, Randall! Wait, who wants some more merchandise? Make some noise! Real high.
This is so crazy.
Let's see that arm, Cody. Let's see that arm. Look at that. Guys, thanks again for coming out to FuelFest. Enjoy the show. We'll be back on the main stage in about an hour. Go have a good time, grab some food, grab some water, and enjoy the community. Thank you guys for coming to FuelFest. What?
Yeah, they did.
I want you guys.
So I don't know about you, maybe I'm biased, but I think this is the best crowd you've ever had at any Fuel Fest. Let's make some noise to prove me right. There's a lot of passion here. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Me too.
Yeah, baby!
Love you. Because there was too many applications, too many, you know, they denied where we feel being homes for. They're living out multiple kids. They're living in a house that's infested.
Well, imagine. Nah.
Come on, bro.
Man, I was hoping he was rev it. Don't you
I was
agree?
hoping you'd give us a ride.
That would be sick.
That would have been so sick.
Who's on the
There's
bottom?
No way he's
Well, I guess we're riding this.
That's good. Very bad.
I think it'll be further away.
Brendan, hop in the whip. Hop in the whip. Hop in the whip, Brendan. Hop in. Hurry.
Man, it took you long enough. Did you guys have a good time?
I had a really good time.
Thank you, Brendan. This is a blast. We gotta do this next year.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay. We're on our way back to the car, and in this parking lot, there's still some pretty cool cars. Sorry, I heard a car and it caught my attention. Like, for example, the car I super badly want.
Toyota 86.
Toyota 86.
And I will not give up.
Come to me now.
Yeah, I don't know what it is with those cars, but I just really like them. And Nathan, what's your favorite car you see from right here?
Right here?
From right here, what's your favorite car you see?
One is air conditioning.
Those two up there. Can't quite identify them. Either 86 or BRZ, or
Oh yeah, I see him. The
orange and the one like totally aligned right there.
Okay, so we are back to the
Press
car.
the button. Press the button.
Nathan's having problems in the back.
With the seatbelt.
Thank you, Brendan, so much for bringing us. This is so much fun.
Yeah.
And
No problem.
I want to do this again next year. Hopefully, it's crazier like they said next year.
Yeah, hopefully.
And
or Las Vegas, maybe.
Las Vegas will be so much fun.
We'll see.
But
We'll see.
I got a new shirt. I love this shirt. Thank you. Thank you so much for pointing this one out because I like this one. Oh, best thing, I got sunscreen.
He done caught it.
I did catch it. I also got a free hat, but yeah, I also got some free water from Brendan. Thank you again.
Yeah.
And we just hit 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I'm just surprised how fast we're climbing. And just thank you guys so much. This is gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.